Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you QuickBooks how to fix a paycheck that has already been processed. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your QuickBooks app, and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once logged into your account, here what you need to do is tap on the menu icon on the bottom right corner of the screen, and then here scroll down, and then you'll find an option that says payroll. Simply tap on add and tap on employees, then search for the paycheck you want to fix by selecting the employee's name or the pay period, then tap on the paycheck to open it, then tap edit if available, then make necessary changes. Now after making the corrections, tap on save to apply changes. Now if the paycheck has already been deposited to the employee's account and you need to reverse it, you'll need to void the paycheck. However, voiding a paycheck might not be possible directly by the mobile app depending on the version, and you may need to access QuickBooks online on the desktop or contact QuickBooks for support. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.